cooking appa.
Wow, look at how beautiful it is. Check it out and see. Look at how beautiful. Oh. Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Today Appa has some very cute little white pomfret fish. You can see it's much smaller than my palm. It's probably 1/3 of the size of my palm. See? So cute. I'm going to deep fry it and then eat it with some chili padi dipping sauce, yeah? So let's quickly marinate it. So after you wash the fish, you marinate it with a little bit of fine salt. Then of course you want to wipe dry your fish, yeah? So that it doesn't splatter as much later. Next you get a wok or deeper pan. Today Appa is using a deeper pan. We give it some oil. And we shall heat up the oil until you start seeing some smoke coming out from the oil itself, which is called smoking point. That is what about 180 degrees Celsius and above. Alright, not sure if you can start to see some smoke coming up. I'll do 3 at a time. One of the things that you want to know when deep frying thing or fish is that you don't want to put in too many fish inside. That will actually reduce the temperature of the oil too much. Then your deep frying process may not be very efficient. So after you put the fish into the hot oil, leave it there for about a minute to 2 before you flip it to the other side. Don't flip it too early. This is after 2 minutes plus. Beautiful. I know still a lot of my followers have issues with deep frying fish. Seriously, don't make your life so miserable. Just use the right utensil. Go and use a non-stick. Non-stick will make your fish frying experience a lot more easier. Yeah. So I'll give this side and the second side, yeah, another about 2 minutes. Then it is almost done. See how beautiful it is. So this is after another about 2 minutes. Just flip it over, one last round. Ah, very nice. Very nice. This is the kind of golden brown I'm looking for, and this will be super fragrant. Pomfret, seriously, oh, you deep fry, fantastic. And if you ask me, I prefer to over fry a little bit. All right, now this total frying time approximately 5 minutes here. Good enough. I can actually take it out. Wow, look at how beautiful it is. Take it out and see. Look at how beautiful. Oh, tonight I'm going to eat a lot of chili padi tonight. Then I'll put aside at the oil absorbing paper. Look at this. Look at how beautiful it is. Right, here's my crispy fried little pomfret. Actually, any small fish you can use with this. And I found some Saba chili sauce just now. Let me show you. So I have some Saba chili sauce with me. So what is Saba chili sauce made of? Basically, it's chili padi, white vinegar, and some garlic. Yeah, and I also added some light soy sauce. So I hope you like my very simple video tonight. If you like my video, do share my video on your Facebook to your friends. Come Cooking Appa Facebook fan page to click like and follow button. Follow Appa on Instagram. And subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.